Konnichiwa. In this video, you will learn how to tell i-adjectives and na-adjectives apart and how to conjugate them into their negative forms in present tense for casual speech. There are two types of Japanese adjectives. They are i-adjectives and na-adjectives. The ones on the left all have an e ending, so they are i-adjectives. The ones on the right do not have an e ending, so they are na-adjectives. Please note that kirei, among many others, ends in e. It is an exception. It is a na-adjective. What are the negative forms of i-adjectives? Let's take this house for example. Furui, is it old? The answer is ie, furukunai, which literally means old not, meaning not old. That is, we are dropping e and replacing it with kunai to get its negative form. Let's apply the same rule to the i-adjectives in this table on the right. Expensive is takai, and its negative form is takakunai. Yasui, cheap. Its negative form is yasukunai. Samui, cold. Not cold is samukunai. E means good, and its alternative is yoi. To change e to its negative form, we will need to use yoi. Therefore, the negative form of yoi is yokunai, meaning not good. Just like the verb conjugations, negative form kunai follows behind the adjective roots. Now let's switch to na-adjectives. First, let's take a look at this image of a sick child. Genki, is he healthy? Well, the answer is ie, genki janai, which literally means healthy, not, meaning not healthy. That is, by adding janai to a na-adjective, we are changing a na-adjective into its negative form. Now, let's change the na-adjectives in the table by applying the same rule. Not quiet is shizuka janai. Not with free time is hima janai. Not fond of something is suki janai. And not pretty is kirei janai. Please note that once janai is added to na-adjectives, they become i-adjectives because they have an e ending. Let's look at these two tables side by side. In conclusion, there are two types of adjectives in Japanese, i-adjectives and na-adjectives. To change an i-adjective to its negative form, simply drop e and add kunai. And to change a na-adjective to its negative form, simply add janai. Both kunai and janai mean not. Please note that nouns and na-adjectives share the same types of conjugations. Sensei means teacher. Its negative form is sensei janai, which means so-and-so is not a teacher. Let's listen to this dialogue between the boy and the girl.
僕のことが好き?
好き。
嬉しい。
実は好きじゃない。
へえ。
When listening to Japanese sentences, make sure you listen all the way to the end. Without listening all the way to the end, you would not be able to tell if a word mentioned is in an affirmative or negative ending, like the mistake the boy has made. Here are 3 questions for you. You can pause the video, answer the questions, and then confirm the answers. Question 1. このお母さんは優しい? Is his mother kind? And the answer is 優しい. Question 2. この猫は元気? Is this cat well? And the answer is 元気じゃない. Question 3. 寿司はおいしい? And according to the image, the answer is おいしくない. Be sure to watch the videos on how to conjugate Japanese adjectives into their past tense and how to use these adjectives before と思います to express your thoughts or opinions. Until then, ではまた.